Hey guys, we're going to walk through the 2023 37XLRXF14. New floor plan by XLR Boost. This camper is 39 feet 9 inches. Has a great big garage in it with a loft. Let's take a walk around this camper, see what all we have to offer. Great big patio on this camper with that LED light, as well as a great big awning to give you the most camping experience while you're outside of the camper that you can offer. Let's take a walk inside, see what all we have going on in here, and see what XLR did with their new floor plan. Walking right up the steps here. As soon as you walk in, you're in the kitchen here. Nice little sink directly directly in front of you. There's your entertainment center with the fireplace directly underneath, as well as a 3-person couch there. Each seat reclines, of course. And of course you have your residential refrigerator, 3-burner cooktop with a microwave directly above it. Awesome little kitchen area there, little coffee nook, plenty of space. Awesome sink, better view of it there. Let's go on back to the pantry here. Open that up, see all the space you get for all your food that you take camping with you. On back to the garage now. Awesome garage here. Of course, everything's manual in the Boost. So there's your manual queen bed you can fold down, as well as the chairs you can fold up against the wall for any kind of toy that you're bringing with you. And then directly above you here, as soon as you walk back, or directly beside you, you have washer dryer hookup, as well as a half bath back here. There's your mini throne for all your guests that come with you, as well as a place to wash their hands. Moving through the camper here, of course, you get a better view of the kitchen and everything. There is the control panel, as well as your thermostat control, the air conditioning and the heat. Moving up into the master suite here. Here is your queen bed, as well as all your cabinetry. Also have a wardrobe in the slide there, as well as a nice little area to set up your computer or anything if you want to. Here's your master bathroom. Nice little glass shower door there. Plenty of room to move around, as well as your throne and your single basin sink, as well as a vanity to hold any kind of toiletries. Moving back through the camper is a great view of the entire camper in motion. Thanks for joining us.